Welcome. In front of me is a REALME P3 Lite, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, we will need to turn off our device. So, hold power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up our boot options. And in here, you want to swipe down to turn off your phone. Now, once it turns off, it will be indicated with a vibration. So once you hear that vibration, you can then hold power button and volume down at the same time. This will start to boot up the device, so you will see the REALME logo. And when you do, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. Next, you will see Android with the words under that no command. For me, it's in Spanish for some reason, even though that's not really the system language right now. In your case, it most likely will say no command or whatever language you use. So when you see this, hold power button, and while holding it, you're going to press volume up once, and you can see this redirects us to the recovery mode. And here we have actually more options than are visible on the camera. Just to kind of showcase this, I am gonna overblow the hell out of it. You can see there's more. So it's just the brightness of the screen right here, and also the fact that the other options are so dim that I can barely see them. So with that in mind, we're going to use volume buttons to navigate, and with that we want to select either enter Fastboot mode, or presumably reboot to bootloader should also work. I'm going to first show you this one as it's labeled like it's supposed to be. So anyway, we're gonna, once it's selected, confirm it with the power button, and you can see this redirects us to the dedicated Fastboot mode. In here, again, like before, you can use volume buttons to navigate, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And again, here we have other options that you can't see right now. Reboot system now. Now this will take us back to Android. Enter recovery mode, which is the previous page. Then we have restart the bootloader, or reboot to bootloader, sorry. And then lastly, power off. So like I mentioned, I think bootloader is also Fastboot mode, so we're going to test it out by confirming this option. And yes, I was correct. It is a Fastboot mode. We can see it right here. I can also bring it up closer. Come on. There we go. So you can see this is Fastboot mode. I am trying to keep my hand as steady as I can, but kind of failing. Now, the first Fastboot mode that I showed you was a little bit easier to leave, as you would just select reboot system now, confirm it with the power button, and you're off to your merry way back to Android. Here, on the other hand side, we need to, I believe, hold power button or power button and volume down to leave it. First, I'm going to try power button only. And it looks like that's not doing anything, so power button, volume down it is. Or isn't. Okay, I guess let's try all three. One of them is bound to reboot this device forcibly, as that's kind of what we're looking for. There we go. So once the device reboots, by holding all three buttons, you will be taken back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.